Super generous, man. Like extremely generous. So thank you so much, dude. I agree. It's a initial rank befitting a Twitch streamer. I'm still trying to catch up on other donations. One sec. The first, we boost into the flank. Hope she's not trying to follow me, is she? No, she's not. We're good. She's staying with... Oh, because we have a Pharah. Yeah, she can pocket ID. Let's flank. Your footsteps. She's here. Oh, God. You know, the only bad part about D.Va is I can't crouch walk, so I can't mask my footsteps. I mean, there's a lot of, you know, people say she's like bad or whatever else. I just mean like the only annoying part about playing D.Va is sometimes there's that, you know. Oh dear. I'm not prepared for this. Star is though. Zerg him down. Anyway, this is actually a good donation I like to talk about. Matty Ice donated 501. He has a good question. He says, I'm confused. What do you mean non-FPS players aim with their wrist? Should we keep it locked and use the whole arm? I don't get it. By that, I mean... So what I was referring to was basically non-FPS players keep their wrists moved, like planted, and they just I mean, I don't mean... So basically, like, they don't pick up and move their mouse very often. It's usually all planted in one spot. I should have bumped him off the map. What was I thinking? This will be interesting. Can I do it like... Does this work? It kind of worked! Got him. I heard you charge, man. I don't have defense matrix up. I could have saved ID. Don't let him get a res. I don't want to even peek him. He could just pistol me.
Double kill.